Welcome to Auto. In this video, I will show you where and how to enter a 12-digit code in the McDonald's app and redeem rewards.
Step 1. Open the McDonald's app, make sure it's updated to the latest version. Tap the Monopoly banner on the home screen. Step 2. Sign and log into your My McDonald's Rewards account. If you don't have one, create a free account. Step 3. Get a game piece by eligible items like Big Mac, fries, or nuggets. You'll get a physical or digital code. Step 4. Enter the 12-digit code. Tap Enter Code in the Monopoly section. Type your 12-digit code carefully, or scan the QR code. Press Submit to see your prize. Step 5. Check your prize. Go to My Prizes in the app to see instant wins or collected property pieces. Step 6. Bonus play. Each code may give a chance to play bonus play for extra rewards.